Hi, boys and girls. Our next step in our writing is to now edit our own writing. We had practiced this the other day with some simple sentences and wanted to make sure that we have proper punctuation, capitalization, and that everything made sense. So today, this is a checklist that you are going to use for yourself. So as you are looking at your full writing piece, which at this point, everything should be written on a rough draft piece of paper, right? If you had a lot of writing, you might even have 2 pages. However, you're going to read through and check your work today. You're going to first read and look to make sure that you have proper punctuation at the end of your sentences. Once you've read through it very carefully, you will then take your check mark, boop, and plop it right there. That will tell me that you checked your sentences. Then you might have to go back and read again, right? Good writers rather, go back and check their work very carefully. So you will check to make sure that each sentence starts with a capital letter. Once you've done that, you will move your checklist. Please don't just start dragging checklists up here and submitting this to me without checking your work, because at the end of the week, or maybe we might even go into next week, depending how long it takes, you're going to be submitting to me your entire writing piece, and I will be grading your piece based on based what you see on the checklist. All right. Make sure that you're using all you know about words and how to spell them. It's okay if you have a word not spelled. It's not okay if you don't make an attempt to try to to correctly spell a word. If you know how to spell a word and you were just being sloppy about it, that is not going to be good third grade work. So take the time to think about everything you know about phonics, about letter sounds, and try to spell words the best that you can. And once you've done that, you'll put your checklist there as well. And finally, make sure others can read your writing. If your writing is very sloppy and no one can read it, no one will hear your story. Read your sentence out loud. Make sure it makes sense. If you read a sentence and it doesn't make sense, well, you might want to go back and change a couple of words or change your sentence. Once you have done that, you'll put your check mark here as well. All right, so boys and girls, please check your checklist. Please make sure you look at your writing. Take your time with it. We are almost finished with this writing unit, and our writing piece or your writing piece that you're creating now is supposed to be everything that you have learned throughout this unit. Okay, boys and girls, if you have any questions, you know exactly how to get in touch with me. All right, see you soon. Bye.